Christina Home Designs, and there's a lot of confusion about charcuterie boards and cutting boards, cheese boards. How do you prepare one? What elements do you need in it? I have a variety of boards that I sell on my website and through Amazon at Christina Home Designs. And today we're going to make a s'mores board. Can't say that too fast. And I'm going to use a marble board because marble is a cool surface, and the marshmallows will not melt, the chocolate won't melt on a cooler type board. Now all of our boards, we recommend that you hand wash. You don't put them in the dishwasher, you don't put them in the microwave, and you don't put them in the oven. Just hand wash with a soft cloth and mild detergent and allow them to air dry. So I have a multitude of ingredients here. I'm going to show you when I create a board for family and friends what the elements are that I use. So this is a s'mores board. I have several books that I sell on my website. Some of them are Savor, Wine Bites, Beautiful Boards, and Wine Food. One of my favorites is a Platters and Boards book. And through those I get little tidbits of information on different types of boards, why you would use a slate or marble board for cheeses, soft cheeses, why you would use a wood board. But today we're going to go and make a s'mores board. So think of having a backyard cookout, and you're going to roast some marshmallows and make some hamburgers. And wouldn't it be great to have the adults and the kids make s'mores over the fire pit? So the ingredients for the s'mores are marshmallows, obviously. So those are going to be in the center. We're going to put those in the center because they make a nice presentation, as well as they get a little gooey if they get too warm, so that's why we're using the marble board. This is a part of a cheese utensil set that I sell with my boards. These are stainless steel, extremely sharp, with bamboo and acacia wood for the handles. So you would pick up a marshmallow with one of these and put it with your s'mores. Okay, so you're definitely going to have graham crackers, right? Because that's what it's going to go on. So you start with anything that you like that you're going to use for your particular piece of appetizer, and arrange them however you think you like. There's no set pattern. Okay, so those are graham crackers. Neat little bowls that I also sell on my website. We're going to use some coconut. Now the coconut is kind of messy, so you could either leave it in the board like this, which I'm going to do in this particular case, or you could spoon it out and make a little pie shape of that. But it tends to get pretty messy, so I'm going to leave it just like that. Same thing with the strawberries. I will nestle them here. These are great little berry baskets. You can put them in your refrigerator, put your blueberries, raspberries, strawberries in them. I'm going to rearrange this just a little bit. Put the bigger pieces in the back. And the smaller pieces in front. So this is going to be a beautiful arrangement of all the things that you can do with a s'mores board. Alright, so that looks pretty attractive so far. Now we're going to get to the good part. We're going to use butterscotch. Now the butterscotch has, like the butterscotch color, so I want to keep them away from the graham cracker because it's kind of the same color. So what I want to do is I'm going to add lots of chocolate. The first one is Baker's semi-sweet chocolate. The next one is milk chocolate. And the next one is white chocolate. And what I'm going to do, and I just got these at the grocery store, they come in pieces like this, and I'm just going to break them in half, and then, well, looks easier than it is, right? There we go. So I'm going to put these pieces of chocolate, now this is pretty big, so I'm going to break them up a little bit more. And I'm going to put those next to the red and next to the graham crackers. And if you break them where they shouldn't be broken, that's okay. There are no rules. Okay, so that's an attractive looking piece there. Now I'm going to take the white chocolate, same kind of principle. And I'm going to move that on the other side of the dark chocolate. And then we're totally overdoing it with the chocolate overload here. This is the milk chocolate, my favorite. So just think about your friends and family. They come over and they see this board, they're going to go, oh my gosh, how long did that take? Well, you can see how long it's taking, not very long. This is Ghirardelli chocolate, which is really good. Alright, so I'm going to make another little piece here, and actually I'm just going to go here because I have a plan for this. Okay, so now we've got all the chocolate. We have our graham crackers. Let's add a couple more graham crackers because we're kind of running out of space here. And sometimes you might feel like you have too many things on the board and it feels crammed. Whatever you think you need for the people in your party is what you put on your board. However, realize too that if you don't fill it to capacity, you're going to be running back and forth and getting more product to put on your board. Okay, so remember the color of the butterscotch is really close to the color of the graham crackers. So now I've nestled them in between the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate and the white chocolate here. And it's okay, they don't have to be in a perfect line. Now I'm going to take some nuts. I've got walnuts. And let's see, let's add a few here. And a few here. And another thing, you don't want to fill your whole board up. You want people to be able to see your gorgeous walnut board. And then I got some pine nuts. And with the pine nuts, you can see they're kind of falling, so maybe you just want to put some graham crackers here. Whatever floats your boat, whatever you like to do, but hopefully you can see this now. There's our s'mores board. So you would just roast your marshmallows, put the roasted marshmallow in between graham crackers, like this, with a big chunk of chocolate, and maybe some butterscotch pieces and another. Oh my gosh, yum. Until next time, thank you for tuning in and have a s'mores kind of day. Bye-bye.